Good morning, students. Myself Kiran Yadav. I'm your English teacher of class 4th. This is your new session book NCRT English Marigold for class 4th. So today we are going to read unit 1st and chapter number 2, Neha's alarm clock. So pages we will read 6 to 9, okay? So this lesson is about a girl whose name Neha. So there are characters, narrator, Neha, birds, and her mother. Okay, and the setting is Neha's bedroom. Okay, so students, before we start this lessons, tell me one thing. Do you get up early in the morning? Yes. And do you like to get up early in the morning? Good. Okay. Then who wakes you up in the morning? Tell me, who wakes you up? Your mom? Your alarm clock? Or you get up your own? You get up your own. Very good. Okay. So, let's see a girl Neha, how she feels in the morning and what she likes. Okay, let's read this lesson and find out. So here narrator is telling. Who is narrator? Narrator is who narrate the story, who tells about the story. जो हमें जो स्टोरी टेलर होता है वो कौन होता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? नरेटर. ओके, सो ring ring ring, off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with pillow, snuggles under the warm blanket, but she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself. So here narrator, he is telling about what is happening in the scene. So what's going on the scene? Ring ring ring, off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. It means that in the morning at 6 o'clock the alarm clock starts ringing. Okay, Neha makes a face and covering her ears with pillows, snuggles under the warm blanket, but she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself. So here, Neha, she doesn't like to get up in the morning. So she makes faces like, oh God, it's 6 o'clock and now I have to get up. So she starts making faces. Okay? Tell me, when you make faces? When you don't like something, right? Now Neha is telling, this alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. So here Neha is complaining that it's not fair. The alarm clock always rings at 6 and I wants to sleep little longer in the morning. And here Neha's hoping that this clock should forget his job. Narrator, something falls. Neha smiles. So something happened. कुछ तो गिरता है. And Neha smiled. Neha, oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. tomorrow I can get up late. So here Neha's wish came true. What happened? His clock has fallen, and now she is so happy because she should get up tomorrow late. Narrator. Next morning there is no alarm. So Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirpy birds which come to the window sill every morning find Neha still sleeping. So next morning what happened? Next morning there is no alarm and Neha slept. So there the small chirpy birds came and sit on the window sill. Window sill क्या होती है? Window sill, the bottom part of the window, as you can see there. Okay, and birds find that Neha's still sleeping. Birds, wake up dear, wake up fast. Get up Neha. Narrator. Neha gets up with a start. Neha उठती है. Neha, oh no, if it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? Now she tells that now there is no alarm clock, but these birds. Oh no, why don't they leave me alone? Please leave me alone, she said. Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. Oh, so here the second wish also came true. The next morning there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. So next morning what happened? There is no alarm clock and there are no birds. But there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. So someone is there for her who wants her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? Yes, the big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. So there is a big bright sun. He comes through Neha's windows and fill her room with a warm smile. Move to the next page, page number 8. So Neha, oh my eyes, now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Oh my eyes, now it's sun who's waking me up. Why can't he leave me alone? Why can't he let me be? वो जैसी हूँ मुझे वैसे क्यों नहीं रहने दे रहा है? Now narrator is telling, even this wish of Neha's comes true. Oh, this wish also came true. So what happened? Next morning the sun is behind the clouds. So next morning क्या होता है? जो sun होता है वो clouds के पीछे छुप जाता है. So Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. So Neha is sleeping till she couldn't hear her mother's voice. Mother, wake up sleepyhead, you will miss the bus. Wake up sleepyhead. Sleepyhead means जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आती है. Who is tired and who always wants to sleep. You will miss the bus. Mother's telling, wake up Neha, you will miss the bus. Neha, oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? Now again she is complaining because she loves sleeping. But it's not good, children. You have to get up early in the morning, or 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. Narrator. There is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. So next day what happened? There is no escape now. Neha gets up and get ready. Neha उठती है और ready होती है. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Can you tell me what happened next day? Let's find out. Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it's 6 o'clock. So here Neha's wake up at 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Neha, Ma, who woke me up today? So here Neha's asking, Mom, who woke me up today? Narrator. Mother smiles. Mother, who else? You of course. कौन होगा? तुम खुद हो. नेहा, but I was sleeping. How could I? लेकिन मैं तो सो रही थी, मैं कैसे हो सकती हूँ? Mother, now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Okay, now tell me, तुम जो दोपहर का लंच होता है वो 1 बजे ही क्यों खाती हो? 1 बजे ही क्यों लेते हो? नेहा, I feel hungry because that time I feel hungry. Mother, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Okay, now tell me, why do you sleep at 9 o'clock? Neha, because I feel sleepy. Mother, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. So here mother is telling there is a clock inside who wakes you up, because who wakes you up and who tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. Neha, oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. So here Neha's telling, I don't want to be late. I want to go to school immediately. Mother, relax, today is Sunday. Oh, mother tells her, calm down, Neha. Today is Sunday and Sunday holiday. Neha, oh, oh, oh. Arey, I was forgotten. So, this story is about Neha's alarm clock. So, students, you should always get up early in the morning. Okay? So, this story adapted from Neha's alarm clock by Girija Rani Asthana. So, who is the writer of this story? Girija Rani Asthana. She is the writer of this story. Okay? So, here are some new words: snuggles, mutters, window sill, relax. Snuggles means getting into a warm and comfortable position. मटर्स स्पीक इन ए लो वॉइस, जिसको हम फुसफुसाना भी बोलते हैं, खुद से बातें करना. विंडो सील, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू अबाउट दिस, द बॉटम पार्ट ऑफ द विंडो. रिलैक्स मीन्स फ्री फ्रॉम टेंशन, calm down. Okay, so in our next video we will do new words and question and their answers. Okay, I hope you have understood this story. So you have to read this story at your home. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.